Welcome you back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn theories of learning that will be trial and error methods of learning. As we get started with the trial and error theory of learning, first let us see what is learning. Learning, it is a permanent change in behavior that occurs as a result of practice and experience. This is E.L Thorndike. He is an American psychologist. He is known for the theory, the trial and error theory of learning. In his theory, he stated that connections are formed in the nervous system between stimuli and response. So we come to the three laws of learning. First, law of readiness. Second, law of exercise. And third is law of effect. The law of readiness, it means the preparation for an action or an attitude to learn. It also states that the students learn best when they are mentally, physically, and emotionally healthy or ready. The law of exercise, it means that drill or practice increase efficiency and durability of learning. It is also called law of use and disuse. In the law of use, the more often an association is used, the stronger it becomes, and in the law of disuse, the longer an association is unused, the weaker it becomes. Coming to the third law, the law of effect, it stated that the satisfying responses strengthen the connection of a response to occur again. Whereas, if the response of a situation is unsatisfying, it is less likely to occur again. According to Thorndike, learning takes place by trial and error learning.
But how is a new skill learned? That was a question which began to fascinate Thorndike. To answer it, he built some ingenious puzzle boxes from which cats could only escape by operating latches.
And in you go.
The cat appears to be very clever in engineering its escape, solving the problem with a deftly placed paw and a push of its nose. But Thorndike didn't believe that an animal, even a clever cat, understands the consequences of its behavior. When he placed a cat in the puzzle box for the first time, Thorndike was unable to see any evidence of flashes of insight. The successful actions appeared first by chance. He proved that the apparent cleverness arose by trial and error, and used graphs to measure the rate of learning. A well-practiced cat quickly recalls the actions that help it escape to its reward of food. If an action brings a reward, Thorndike believed that that action becomes stamped into the mind. In his thesis, he explained further his ideas about learning, that behavior changes because of its consequences. He called this his law of effect, which explained how even wild creatures develop new habits.
Okay, so friends, let us look at Thorndike experiment. Here he conducted experiment by putting a hungry cat inside a puzzle box. He also placed a fish outside the box, and the hungry cat, he tried different ways to escape from the box and reach the fish. Through trial and error, the cat accidentally pulled the string and escaped from the box. The cat was put back in the box once again. This went on, and after repeated trial and error, the cat became progressively quicker at escaping from the box. Therefore, in this trial and error experiment, we can see that it involved a number of trials, attempts, exploration, and error. It also involved motivation to achieve the goal and a reward. Therefore, in trial and error methods of learning, the learner makes random activities and reaches the goal accidentally. Now we come to the implication of the theory in learning. First, we learn that students should be motivated before teaching them. Second, the use of reward and punishment can be used inside the classroom for effective learning. And the third, we learn habits are formed as a result of repetition. Therefore, good habits can be cultivated, whereas bad habits can be modified. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video.